This is June month. We have so many important days. Recently, we celebrated World Environment Day on 5th June. Upcoming, we have some more important days like International Yoga Day and Father's Day. In this video, I am telling few lines about Father's Day. Let me start. Father's Day is a widely known celebration of fatherhood that celebrates the influence of fathers in society. Father's Day is celebrated annually on the third Sunday of June in India. Father's Day first celebrated July 5th, 1908 in West Virginia by Robert Webb at church named Central Methodist in Fairmont, USA. Father's Day is celebrated on different dates in different countries. Father is the most important member of the family, whose love for his children is just like oxygen for the survival of their lives. My father is my first love. I love spending time with my father on my favorites like playing games, sitting in the nearby park, and the most important of all, listening to what he teaches me every day. Father's Day is such an occasion which comes with a spirit of celebrating the presence of father and his efforts in making up the life of families. Fathers are the real inspiration who sacrifices their comfort to give their children a better life. On this day, people give greeting cards, gifts, flowers to their fathers, or take their fathers out for dinner. We should appreciate our fathers' sacrifices and love, not only on this day, but every day throughout the year. This year, 2021, the Father's Day is on June 20. And finally, I'm telling one beautiful quote. This quote is specially for my father. I am so lucky to have you as my dad. Thanks for being so wonderful. You are my hero. Happy Father's Day to all lovely fathers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.